staff, and guests. It's my esteemed privilege and honor to introduce our chief guest for the evening, Dr. J. Ajit Prasad Jain. Dr. Ajit Prasad Jain is a dedicated and resourceful educator with over 40 years of expertise in developing strategies to drive academic growth at all levels. He has held many senior positions both in CBSE and in the government of Tamil Nadu. He was appointed as a member by the government of Tamil Nadu in the State High-Level Committee on Examination Reformation. He was one of 4 principals across the country who served as a member of a national-level committee set up by then Ministry of Human Resource Development in the Government of India. This team drafted legislation on unfair practices in school education sector. Currently, he is the member of the Education Committee of the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments Department in the Government of Tamil Nadu. He is also the managing partner of Dr. APJ Educational Consultancy and APJM Educational Consultancy, which deal with establishing new CBSE schools and also providing assistance to existing schools in adhering to requirements. Mentoring educators in choosing the right curriculum is his specialty. He guides educators in the creation and implementation of class instructions, lesson plans, and student assessment in conjunction with learning standards. He has many awards and accolades to his credit. He is the recipient of the National Best Teacher Award for the year 2004 from the then President of India, the Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. While he served as the senior principal of Bhavans Rajaji Vidyashram in Chennai, he championed the e-governance program. He collaborated on and implemented a reporting system for assessments, a 3-dimensional learning platform for experiential learning, and set up the online testing program. He even presented a paper on leveraging technology for education at the All India CBSE Principals Conference in Indore in December 2012. Throughout his tenure, he has proven his ability to create and monitor policies and practices that promote a safe learning environment and create a school culture that encourages continuous improvement for teachers and students. We are so grateful for your presence here this evening. I hope you enjoy the wonderful performances by our talented students. We can't wait to receive your pearls of wisdom. The stage is yours.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones, you won't ache my soul, you can't